Is your PC running slow, freezing up, or constantly running out of storage? Chances are it's loaded with unwanted apps, junk files, and even hidden folders you didn't know were there. In this video, I'll show you how to remove all unwanted apps, delete junk and temp files, and clean up hidden useless folders that Windows and other apps leave behind. We'll use built-in tools, smart tricks, and optional free software to get your PC running faster, smoother, and cleaner than ever. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support me and keeps more content coming your way. Alright, let's get started and bring your PC back to life. In first step, press Windows and R key, type %temp% and click OK. A folder will open. Now select all the files and delete them. Now in second step again, press Windows and R key and type temp. A new folder will open. Select all files and delete them. Now in third step, open Settings and search for Storage Settings. Open it. Here you will see a temp section. Click on it. Now it will scan all the temp files on your PC. Select all of them and click on Remove Files. In fourth step, open the settings. Click on Apps section. Here you will find all apps installed on your PC. See if you find any useless app. Right-click on it and uninstall. Now in the last step we will use a built-in Windows tool to remove remaining temporary files. Open Settings and search for Storage Sense. Click on this one. Now scroll down and click on Clean Now. It will clear all remaining temporary files. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this.